What's up, everybody? Welcome back to R3 TV, and today is a new. So today we have a wild Accord that we found in the desert that has not been touched for 3-4 months. So today we take a look at what we have going on here. So I am still on mission Accord here. So I am getting ready once again to take the car to my tuner to finish doing this, because obviously I'm not doing anything. But I'm not going to be completely lazy. I can at least get the car in a good shape, in good stable condition. So as you'll see, I'm gonna make sure the brakes are on, so I at least have brakes to stop. The car is rolling good, fine. Just anything that needs to be done is gonna be in here. That needs to be done. So one of the first things I need to do is finish my catch can setup. But kind of with what I got going on here with space and this catch can that I have here, it's just super weird to get it to fit back here without doing a whole bunch of modifications and whatnot. So what I did, and I don't know if this even fits yet, but I bought a smaller catch can that allows for two 10-in hoses to be connected to it, which is what I have in the back. And I'm going to see how this fits in that spot versus the bigger one. I can probably use that one once I change. I don't like how this comes on the back door straight into the turbo. So this part will go away once I do that. So I may put it, something right here. But for now, this hopefully will work. So I'm going to test fit this back here, make the lines for the catch can, and that should be good to go. So in today's video, you guys saw that I updated the suspension to ground control coilovers and springs, but I didn't like the top hats. The top hats were ugly, so stock top hats, and I can't lower the car as much as I want to because it doesn't compress enough. There's not enough room. So I bought the Function and Form extended top hats. This is the front. Looks much better than this right here. So I'm just gonna throw these on. Don't mind the brakes, they're super rusty. But I just put my my Hawks pads on. Getting the car ready to roll. I have the rear extended top hats here for the back that I still need to do. So I'm just gonna throw these on really quick and see if I can raise the car up a little bit, because it was a little too close to the fender and not really drivable. So I'm gonna finish throwing these on and see how it looks. So just took a second, back assembled. It already looks a ton better, not even back in the car. But I can tell it's gonna be able to compress better. There's room for the spring to touch the top of the top hat to touch just top of the spring there. So it should be pretty good. So it's a very tight fit for the top hat to come through the hole up here. So I can force it in, or I'm gonna pull it out, see if I can like trim it or something. I'm having trouble getting this up through to mount the screw, so I'm gonna play with that a little bit, see if I can get it out, or get it in, I should say. Off. What's your name?
Olivia.
Are you my helper today?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try to start the car, okay?
Okay.
Wait, turn it off. Yeah, turn the other way. Okay, turn it on one more time. Okay. Now turn it. It almost started. We're gonna wait a second and then we're gonna try it again in a minute, okay? Turn it back. Turn it off. Now turn it off. Yeah. Man, you might be a race car driver when you get big. How old are you?
5.
And you're my niece, right? And what grade are you in? Kindergarten? You like school?
Yeah.
You like Uncle Ra's car?
Yeah.
You think we know how to fix it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's see if we can fix it.
Because you know when you do puzzles,
Mm-hmm.
so you may want to figure it out.
So you think I need to fix the doors?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we gotta do all this. That way we could connect these together, because if we put the door on and then put these together, then it'll actually work, I think.
Oh, okay.
But we're gonna need to move on that part because it's not
So you need to do that part first or this part?
this one.
Okay.
Or you could just do that one if you want
Okay.
first.
If we get it to start up, then we'll do this one, okay?
Okay.
All right.